Namaskar. Welcome to my series of video called My Manogat. It is in English. It was published in an English newspaper here. The editor asks me to just write about a personality, the person. So I think this is the best to write about a girl I just met, a American girl. As usual, as a custom, it was corrected and modified by my daughter and the caption by my son. The title of this article is Western Hardware and Indian Software. I was working with a NGO those days. He's doing some work. So I heard, may I come in? The accent was totally westernized American. Turned down and I saw with the perfect Indian, her American accent did not match her frail Indian look. I am Rukmini. My uncle asked me to meet you. Rukmini, I could not remember any Rukmini. Oh, so she understands. She said he must have told you of me as a Rini. Everybody called me Rini, but my name is Rukmini, and I want you to call me as a Rukmini. Why me? Because my uncle told me that you are my type. I could not understand what is the type, her type. I said, okay, I'll call you Rukmini. Then I told you, can you just wait for 10 minutes? I finish my work and then we'll just talk. She said, okay. She went outside and sat in the outside room. I finished my work and I just went outside. And I saw Rukmini was not there. I really got Bombay and she doesn't know anything about the Mumbai. So I just came outside and I searched for her. Then in the complex only there was a tree, and under the tree a cobbler was sitting with his all the small shop. I just saw Rukmini was there and she was sitting on the stone, nearby stone. She was just she was with a small girl in her lap. I just hurriedly just reached there, and then she said, "Isn't it?" This was the first meeting with Rini. Sorry, Rukmini. Rini was my friend's niece, born and brought up in India. She finished her education and she came to Bombay to visit Bombay and India. And her uncle was staying in the Bombay. So her uncle asked us to explore her because he was busy. So he said, you can just show Mumbai and explore the Mumbai. I said, okay. So we started our really a journey, a beautiful journey with Rukmini. While we were just walking on the road, I said, your mother asked me to buy some saris for her and some material, some dresses and all that. So I know one designer's lady. So we'll go there. You choose. You know your mother's choice. So we just went there, and but she didn't like anything. the designers saris, and she was somewhat disappointed. I said, okay, we just came outside, and then on the roadside there was a lot of shops of the saris and dresses and all that. So she said, we will pay from those shops, and she bought so many things from that roadside shop. So I said, let us. She looks tired, so I said, let us see, have tea or something. So we were just having the tea in a small restaurant. Then suddenly she said, I want yoga. I didn't say yoga. She said yoga. Do you know any institute where I can learn the yoga? I'm also interested in the music. She was just pouring. She was talking a lot. Like she wanted to share a lot of things with me. She said, I wanted to learn a music. I wanted to learn a devotional music, and I want to go to Himalayas and settle down there. Do you think I can do it? I could not say a word. Then I said, but your parents want you to settle down and have a happy life in United States, in States. She kept quiet. We came out, and then she saw a small shops of clay pots and all that. So there were so many things, clay pots and clay toys and glasses and all that. So she rushed there and she bought so carefully. She just bought so many small beautiful clay pots, the vessels, the glasses, some toys, some animals also. And with every purchase, her face brightened as if she was adding a jewel in her treasure. Now I understand why her uncle said that she's my. Continuing our conversation, I said, do you know how difficult to survive in Himalayas? We wanted to settle down here, but it's not easy. You know, there are so many difficulties, the odd weather, and different. The language is different. So, especially for you, it's very difficult. So I was just talking to her. So her voice suddenly just raised, and she said, why especially me? Why it's difficult for me? I think it's easier to live among the so-called educated people, so-called rich people, so-called people who are lot of ego. It's easier. I want to live with the simple villagers. She slapped back. I was listening and I was trying to understand. Then she said, I hope we are going back by local train. And at this point, I understand what exact, and then we had a special bonding. We travel, explore Mumbai. We have vada pav at the vada pav that gadi, small gadi. Then have a cutting tea. We have a dosa, the roadside dosa. Then we beaches also. We just run, we walked, we were having the fun, and she was having all the odd food stuff from the Bombay, which is very famous in the Bombay. Um, I every time she eats something, pav bhaji or pani puri, I told her, maybe your stomach may be upset or something like that. She said, no, 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 I can. It suits me, and we enjoyed. We really have fun. These 4 days we have fun, and mind you, our in between we are become friends. She then visited other cities of India. She went to Kanyakumari. She went to Trivandrum, and she came back. A week she came back, and I I wonder what made her visit to India and explore the real India, her Indian roots, or the she has a lot of fantasy about India. Whatever the reason, but she is very happy. She came back, and when she just he wanted to fly to USA, I went to airport to see her off. She became very trying to hide her tears. Then she said, I'll come back. I'll definitely. I said, okay. And then she handed over a small wooden box, a beautiful, maybe she just bought it during her visit to other cities. I opened the box. I saw dry flowers and a little of soil. She said, this flower is from the temple we visited and the priest gave me. And the soil is from the cobbler shop where we first met. I'm giving this to you because you know the value of these things, and there is no place for this thing in USA, in my house. She walked abruptly, turned away, and hurriedly she just went towards the airport. An angel with a Western hardware and Indian software. Namaskar.